It's concept art for the first room, and then the dark version, and then it's concept room for the second room connected to it. What is your doctor name, Angel?
Don't know. Dr. Blank, don't even knock.
What is that? That circle?
That's the resistance symbol. I think.
That sounds epic.
This one actually is for the government.
Ah, excellent. I knew it
Because
was.
yeah, as you can change it up to make it look like it's angel wings. Like it used to be a cross, but it didn't look well. But it's like everyone believes that they're God or like a higher being.
Yeah.
So that's the wings and everything. So I changed up that symbol and then made the resistance symbol the symbol.
I'm also gonna post here some other stuff. Keep presenting.
Okay. Do I have anything else to present? I believe I don't think so. I think I only have those things. The background took me a while to do actually. I wanted to do some like stuff very detailed and some things like I guess not very detailed. Some things are came out okay. And then I did the outline for this one, and that took me a while as well. Because I didn't sketch, I just and then I tried fixing this up for a while, and yeah. So that I've been caught up in doing all four of these for a while, so I don't have anything else to present but these. So yeah, Angel, you could go.
All right.
Wait, post in your own place.
But it's Anali's idea.
Oh, okay.
We are working together.
Oh.
Yeah, she wanted us to have a logo for our studio.
Yeah.
And she suggested that we have something play off of the words anti and bite.
Oh, these are cool.
Angels made them.
Oh, you know what we should do? Okay, so how many are there? 4?
3.
3?
3.
Really? Only? Oh yeah, there's 3. We should pick 2, and then make like a couple iterations of those, and then.
I like the one that's biting on the anti, like the design.
Yeah, because
I really like this one.
The way it usually goes with like kind of like logo design, usually like the process is kind of reiterating over a particular logo a bunch, and then doing like very small changes, and then kind of seeing how what people think.
Yeah, literally what I did. And
not really good.
If you guys like these, could be different.
I love these actually.
I don't know why, but Anali suggested that we kept the original design because it was sketchy looking. But I don't think that looks professional.
No, logos need to be kind of concise.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
That's what I said.
But look how sketchy it looked. Like it looked, I don't know, it looked nice, sketchy. I don't know. But that was the original markup, and I like seeing the progress as well. It's a good thing you posted it both, anyways. It came out so good. You did amazing. I don't know.
Yeah, I really like these.
Yeah.
Okay, we should pick one then. So like, let's all unanimously pick one, and then like Angel, I don't know if you can make a few iterations of whichever one we pick. Which I guess for now it kind of sounds like we're gonna pick the one with the anti in the middle. I don't know if anybody else has any other suggestions. But it's so far it just seems like.
I wanted the other one actually.
Which one?
The one biting on the bar.
Oh. Okay. Well, yeah. We'll have a. I guess like.
Pull out the poll.
Vote. Yeah. Pull out the poll. No, Discord. doesn't sound like something I can I can do.
Oh, but we can play Scrabble, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Here, like, you want to see a poll? Here, look.
We could do
You
voting.
could just say 1, 2, 3,
I
and
was
like
gonna
put emojis on it.
I was gonna say we should do 1, 2, and 3 with emojis.
Mhm.
And it's gonna be 1 on the left, 2 on the top right, on the 3
Gotcha.
on the bottom right.
You're like
Please
not
delete
here.
messages.
The medallions.
Bless you.
Bless
There
you.
you go. Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Is Nathan listening?
Probably asleep.
It's possible.
Oh, don't go to sleep, please.
I mean, you had a long day, so that makes totally sense. I would be asleep.
Could you react to the logos? Cool.
Where?
UTEP.
Wait, which one's the second one?
So the first one is the one on the left, second one is top right, and the third one is bottom right.
What is this?
What? What is what?
We just need Nathan's vote.
Damn, that's the only one I didn't like.
Oh, y'all voted twice.
Yeah, it's like it's just kind of like which ones you are kind of okay with. Which ones you want.
UTEP. Fuck.
Did somebody else put the little tomato?
Yeah.
Anali, I just had an idea.
Yeah.
Let me flesh it out, and I'll send it to you in a sec.
Okay, yeah, hold on. Yeah, Nathan, so, right now what we're doing is kind of voting on, like, potential logo designs. So if you kind of go over to the Anali's progress check.
Alright.
Number 1 is the one on the left. Number 2 is the one on the top right, and then number 3 is the one on the bottom right. I kind of voted for all of them, just so I can like have the emojis
Wait.
there. What?
Wait, so for all 4 of the ones you post?
No. So you see the post that Angel posted, and like
Yeah.
the little reactions.
Yeah.
The first one is for the left. The second one is for the top right, and then the third one is for the bottom right. And then the tomato is just don't look at the tomato.
But what's the symbol for?
Oh, tomatoes are very
Oh,
important.
it's for the logo of our
The
studio.
studio.
Yeah.
Ooh. I see the third one.
You see?
I was also
I
thinking.
like how
Go
I
ahead.
like how the T clenches up into the Kansas symbol.
Yeah. So I think it'd be cool if like you somehow put the word anti in there too.
Yeah, I think that'll be better.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Like a mix of both.
Yeah. Okay. So that sounds pretty unanimous. I guess like kind of your next like task or one of the tasks you should probably like continue doing is fixing up that bottom right logo and somehow including anti in there.
You got it.
Nice. Angel, do you have anything else?
That's pretty much it.
Cool. So then I know you guys don't really have much, right?
Yep.
Okay. So guess I'll go. If you look at my page, there's kind of a lot of like random stuff in there. But basically all I did since the last meeting was I started creating the 3D asset for the shelf and on the like the back left corner of the room of the concept art. Kind of made like the shelf shape, made like a little back wall, like these like kind of like engineering shelves, like kind of thing, kind of have a few like cardboard box looking things and like a bin. Yeah, so you can see that in that screenshot right there. I also did some stuff, some like brainstorming and ideas and feedback, where I kind of go over some ideas for like the character and like how the enemies particularly are going to work. So it's kind of hard to read, but I kind of like list out a bunch of stuff, and like I do it in like a weird pseudocode, like class, like programming classes. So then I kind of took those little ideas, and then Angel kind of also elaborated a little bit on some of the names which I really like. But I did make that I made kind of like a little bit of that stuff in Unreal already, kind of. So I kind of like just laid out the variables. I had like a lot of trouble with being able to like whenever a new like class is instantiated, being able to kind of like load in different variables. Like as it so far with like what I've been seeing, it's really hard to get that to work. I'll show you guys in a second. Alright, so can you guys see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, so in here, I tried to make, so I made an enemy class. And in here, I was able to make enemy sprite with a variable type of paper sprite. This sprite thing is gonna have to change. It's gonna have to change to a different, because there's like a particular object called a paper ZD animation sequence, which this like that will be able to like control all the animations that our character goes through, which will also control the sprite that is being displayed on screen. So like that's something I kind of have to change there, but I have enemy level, which is a value type of integer, enemy name, which is a string, and these are all private because they're only supposed to be accessed within this particular class. Enemy health, which is an integer, and health we can just apply like a ceiling function to it, probably, or maybe a floor function. Either one will work, but it'll basically just be like so our health doesn't have decimals, or we can go the route of like choosing not to display like the health could be a decimal, but like just on screen will display the floor or the ceiling of it. Probably the floor, but you guys probably have no idea what I'm talking about. But it's like just if you're like like rounding rules. It's kind of like rounding, but you don't care if it's like close to whatever number. It's just like if you apply like the floor to like 2.5, it'll go down to 2. But if you apply ceiling, it'll go up to 3. So you just round up or down, depending on if you use floor or ceiling. And that's just to kind of like remove some of the like complications of like decimal values, especially when we're like computing like how much damage some move does based on like strength or something like that. Like, and we're able to like scale all the moves and stuff like that. But yeah. And then I have enemy stats where I am using a map. It's like a hash map is just like a way to associate one thing with another thing. So I'm associating names of all the variables, so strength, precision, intelligence, encryption, fortune, and I'm just associating them with the float. And right now there's 0 because realistically, when we like make a new enemy class object, you would be able to change these, and that's just kind of like where I'm stuck because I don't really know how we'd be able to import those values. But yeah, that's just something I'm gonna have to figure out. This was kind of like last minute. Enemy actions. This is also like a custom variable with like a custom variable type that I made, which is the action class, which I accomplished by inheriting. So I imported the action namespace. Since I'm importing the action namespace, I can use actions inside of my class. So I have these I have this array of actions, and each enemy or whatever, we can fill this array with whatever actions they're going to be able to use, and then that's all the moves that they're going to be able to use, and they're going to be these objects that they can access. But that's pretty much it for the most part. Action class. Can you see the new screen that I just pulled up? No. Let me change my window. Action class. So then the action class actually just like has nothing. But you can see that it is its own class that exists, and we can do the same thing in here. We can make a bunch of variables with whatever they are. We can change like what variable type they are, and they can be whatever object we choose, or these just kind of I forget what they're called. They're like different kind of variables and not objects, instance variables. Yeah, and then of course they'll be private. Yeah, so that's kind of everything that I have for now, that I figured out, like what to do in terms of
pretty cool.
in terms of like trying to like code something up in Unreal. I mean, obviously there isn't really any code. I just like set up a bunch of variables, but I think for now it's like kind of what I wanted to do. But yeah, I need to figure out how to make an instantiation function. There is an instantiation function, but I can't add inputs to it, which is ridiculous so far from what I think. Like, you probably can. There has to be a way. I just don't know it yet. But like, and I know Angel, you probably like feel me too, and Nathan too. But like, not being able to like, if you make a new object, you should be able to pass like certain variables into it to be able to change that object's properties, like depending on what object you want to like. You know what I mean? It's like you can make a string object, and like, I don't know. It's just kind of weird. But
Do you watch videos?
I couldn't really.
You
I
figure out by
tried
yourself?
this stuff. All of this stuff that I just did, I mainly figured out by myself. For the most part, it's just like just me fucking around in Unreal, and that's kind of like what I want to do initially. Whenever I'm like trying to do something or trying to learn something, I want to see if I can figure it out, because I do know enough, like just basic computer science like principles, to kind of like fiddle my way around and like figure something out. But then there's just like kind of what I went over the last time. There's just like certain things with Unreal that we're just gonna have to like eat our vegetables and just learn it. You know what I mean? So that's just kind of like one of those things we have to get around.
I love
That is a weird-
vegetables.
Yeah,
Since it's like way different from Unity,
it is. Yeah, it is way different from Unity, especially like
especially like
the coding.
the coding part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can make I don't know. I want to do a lot of stuff with the blueprints, just because it's like it's what the blueprints are going to allow me to learn more. But we can make a C++ a class. So if I really wanted to, since I know C++ very well, at this point, I could go in there and make a C++ class, just like an actual C++ class, .h file, .cpp file, like be able to make all the functions and do a bunch of stuff, and then like have an instantiation, like have something that can instantiate with variables in C++. I know how to do that. It might not compile in the Unreal compiler, which is like something I'm a little scared of. It might like have like very particular rules, and it like from like that it kind of like pulls out from C++ because like Unreal is very specific on like what it needs. But for now, I think it's okay that I'm doing stuff into blueprints, because the blueprints are honestly going to be like, I don't know. For now, they feel really limiting, but I feel like it's not going to be that bad with the blueprints.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much all I have.
You're like, no, this week I'll be able to, like, especially on Saturday and Sunday, since I'll be off. I'll definitely have plenty of time.
Tomorrow,
I'll definitely.
tomorrow, send me a video. Find a video, like a starter video, like a little like like a 15-minute or like 20-minute video of like Unreal, like a little starter project, and send it to me, and then like just kind of tell me like that's the little like intro tutorial that you're gonna do.
All right, I'll
Cool.
do that then tomorrow.
Cool.
Cause I get out at 7:30, so it'll be good.
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
Don't you be tired?
It's fine. It's fine. I'll do my best.
Holly, what are you thinking of like your goals for this next week?
Me?
Yeah.
Character sheets. I'm really excited to do that actually. Now that I've got the backgrounds up, like out of the way.
Right.
Well, the first room's around, right? More of like character plotline as well, like having the sequence. So I want to lay it down for you guys, because I don't know like what questions you have, so I just want to put it down for you guys there.
Character lore sheets.
Yeah.
Yeah, with like all the like, yeah, that's good. That's good. Then Nathan, you're doing the video. You're doing the tutorial intro video. Is there anything else you want to work on, Angel, or are you just kind of okay with, or like, do you feel comfortable with just doing the logos, with like all your other responsibilities?
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. That's cool. That's cool. Again?
What's up?
So, what you gonna do this week? If you can.
I gotta. I don't know, bro. I gotta work on my time.
Yeah, that's all good.
And then I'm gonna see if I can actually do something this week. Just work on the box again.
Gotcha.
See if I can. I'll leave Blender downloading tonight.
Okay.
And then
Wait, so
reset Monday. If I can,
wait,
and wake up early on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Wait, so like, wait, you guys talk.
Oh no, yeah. I was just gonna go over like what I was gonna try and do. I don't know if I did already. I don't think I did. But, I mean, mainly I want to make sure I want to get that like class thing working. I want to get the class working, and then I'll probably work on some more 3D assets
The whole time?
the whole time. Yeah.
Oh, you're recording our whole chat?
Yeah.
Oh, geez.
Did you get the Scrabble?
Wait, so it's gonna
No,
go on
not-
YouTube?
I did
or
not get the Scrabble.
you get
No.
the Scrabble.
Aw.
Scrabble.
Alright.
Wait,